Hey guys, it's Sharika. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Today is Monday. I just finished doing a wig review on this Yaki unit. It is so pretty. So yeah, I'm just getting ready to take a picture in this hair, and then I'm gonna put on dinner for tonight. So I'll take you guys in the kitchen for that. I really need to pull out my hot comb for this part right here, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I really don't. And then after I put the food on, then I'm gonna do another unit just to go ahead and get that out of the way. Y'all, we dealing with another storm that right now it is category 4 already, and it's supposed to hit Florida. I think they said Wednesday, so we gotta go through that again. It's nice living in Florida, but hurricane season is the worst. So let me go ahead and take my picture. I just wanted to come on and start the vlog. This hair is so cute, y'all. Like, I'm gonna dye this unit, and it's so cute. I love the length on it. It's like, it's so cute. Okay, also we have on the unit. I love the density of this unit, and I love this length. And y'all know the curly unit that I wear, the short one, is also from Beauty Forever. So let's go ahead and look at the lace. This lace can be worn glueless. I'm using a lace spray. It does come with the tape. If you don't want to use the spray or the glue, you can use the tape. We're gonna do a middle part to style. But everything is pre-plucked, hand-dyed lace. Look how good that looks. There's no makeup or anything on this lace. It looks so good. Y'all already know I cannot part that well in the middle. I don't know what it is. I love the deep parting. Look how good. Love, love, love. Am I in the middle? We're gonna go with it. This is on 410. I think the Yaki hair can take up to 450. But we're gonna just do 410. So for the heat protectant, we'll use this olive oil heat protectant serum. It's a coconut oil. I like to use the oil serums on the Yaki hair because it gives it a nice shine and a more natural look. Y'all see that? That's what I like. This hair is so cute. I love me a good Yaki unit. And then I'm gonna put some of, this is the wax stick that I use. This is the Care Care. Just to flatten out the top. You should be good. And And this unit can also be worn side part because there is enough space for you to wear your hair in the side part. Let's just show you that really quick. If you wanted to do, look how good. If you wanted to do a side part, you can. Like this. See, really cute, really easy. I'm gonna flat iron it. I also have my flat iron on 410. Look at that, so pretty. But I think I wanna wear it in the middle part just because I really, really like the way that it looks. But I just wanna show y'all that you could wear it in other ways. See that? Really cute. See how pretty that looks? So natural looking. Look at this. So pretty. I don't know which way I want to wear it. Okay, let's do the middle part because y'all know I am a middle part girl. It just takes me some time to get my hair parted straight. All right, y'all, and here is my hair. So I decided to go with the middle part. I love the way that it looks. It looks so pretty and natural. I love this length. It does remind me a lot of my hair. So I love this. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description. It's so cute. I got these in a few different colors, but let me go ahead and take this picture really quick and we'll go in the kitchen and start today's dinner.